This is 620, one of the 65 units at Taj, across the water from Taj Lake Palace. Look, you can look out at the palace from here. This is a younger age group. Apparently the people staying here are more likely to be Indian and more likely to be in the age group of 35 to 45. And they spend about $100 less per room. They're on the mainland, which saves a certain amount of time. It's a very well thought out room. Look, you've got a socket right by the desk there. And I love the historical artwork. Let's have a look at the bathroom. Very pleasant, a good shower, a good mirror, a telephone here, and a nice little dressing table there. And these marvelous Indian arches everywhere here in Udaipur.